Here we go. Got a regular triangle, one side of 12. The thing about it is area equals 1/2 AP. And A is apothem. An apothem goes from the center, makes a right angle with the opposite side. So what I need is I need the apothem of this triangle. Well, the thing about it is a regular triangle is going to be 60, 60, 60. That is equilateral. So I could use a different formula. Let's just use 1/2 AP. In this case, could I take this triangle, and if this whole thing is 12, if I cut it in half and make a vertical, that makes this 6. If this is 60 and 90, and I cut this angle in half, it's 30. So could I figure out what this total height is pretty quickly? Well, 30, 60, 90, if that's 6, this is 6√3, because remember, 30, 60 triangles, 1√3 and 2. So you'd say 6 is to x as 1 is to √3. There you go, 6√3. But now I only want half of that, so it's going to be 3√3. So area is 1/2 apothem, 3√3, times perimeter. Perimeter will be 12, 12, and 12, so that's 36. Put all that together, you got a win. Now, let's do the next one. Let's do number 11. In this case, you got a pentagon. You got a pentagon, and you have a radius of 5. Now, that's not an apothem. We'll have to find that. But the thing about it is, if it's a pentagon, what is every inside angle? Well, 360 divided by 5, 360 divided by 5, if I'm not mistaken, is 72. So if I got 72 degrees, I cut it in half, that gives me 36. So now you have a triangle that looks like this, 5, 36 degrees. How do I find this adjacent side right here? You're going to do cosine. Cosine of 36 equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And I'll need a calculator. Hold that thought. Okay. So here we go. 5 times cosine 36. Answer is 4.04. So equals 4.04. Now, I need this side over here because I need to figure out my perimeter. Well, that's going to be opposite in hypotenuse. So sine of 36 equals, I'll call it y over 5. So sine 36 times 5 is 2.93. Y equals 2.93. So if that's 2.93, what's the whole thing? Basically, you're talking 5.8. So area equals 1/2 apothem. Apothem would be 4.04 times perimeter, and that's going to be 5.8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so whatever that is, 5.8 times 5, 5.8 times 5, you get 29. So you multiply all that together, and that's your area for that. Now, you're going to do the same thing down here for 6. You're going to break it up, except you're going to have 6 triangles will be 60. Here it's going to be different yet. See what you can do with those.